Hello there and welcome to your Wednesday afternoon update. Well, after the thunderstorms last night, the air is a little fresher, more comfortable across the western half of the UK. However, we're hanging on to the heat further east. And across Scotland, just one or two showers lurking around. The bigger picture, this huge area of high pressure is keeping everything in check. So low pressure systems coming in, sort of skirting around it. And it's a battle between the fresher air across the Atlantic and some very hot, intense air across the near continent. And continuing, we'll see that feed of air coming up from the near continent. In fact, records are likely to be broken across Benelux as well as France over the next 24 hours. For us, through this afternoon, strong sunshine across many areas. The cloud is broken for Scotland, although we will see a few showers here, particularly towards central and western areas, and one or two just feeding in across the western side of Northern Ireland. Even here, though, in any brighter breaks, 24 Celsius. Elsewhere, expect a 33 or a 34. Again, UV levels are likely to be high. Now, through Wednesday evening and overnight, the air will remain quite uncomfortable, high humidity air. We continue to see a feed of that very hot air from the near continent. Murky conditions across the coastline here and always more cloud across the western side of the country, particularly for Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland, where we'll see spits and spots of rain and a stronger wind. Inland, though, temperatures dipping no lower than around 16 to 22 degrees Celsius. So a very sticky and uncomfortable night to come. And that will lead into the hottest day of the year. We are expecting some temperature records to be broken. The July record's likely to go, and even the all-time record for the highest temperature ever recorded in the UK. That was actually on the 10th of August 2003 at 38.5 degrees Celsius. We could see a temperature higher than that. But the swathe of hot air covers much of the country. Let's take a look at the detail. First thing on Thursday morning then, sunshine from the word go across England and Wales, eastern northern parts of Scotland. This weather front here remains to the west, but we continue to see a feed across Northern Ireland, broken at times, and again, a little bit of showery rain coming and going. Now, the Met Office has issued a warning for some thunderstorms. They will develop later on in the day. You can see them sort of lurking across France as well as Belgium, and they will develop across England, Wales, and even Scotland through evening time. And they will continue to rumble on through Thursday night into Friday morning. However, before that, temperatures will rocket. So look at this. You can see much of England covered by temperatures in the mid to high 30s. The high 20s, even a 30 degrees Celsius for the central belt of Scotland. Further west for Northern Ireland, you'll see a 24, and the western side of Wales doing very well indeed. Again, temperatures creeping very nicely into the mid-20s. But it's really this area here where we could see those record-breaking temperatures. 39 likely for somewhere across the southeast. Obviously, we'll keep you posted here on all our social media channels through Thursday daytime and into evening time. You can see the thunderstorms continuing to move northwards as we head through Thursday into Friday. So another incredibly warm night to come, an uncomfortable night as temperatures again dip no lower than around 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Now, Friday is looking a little fresher towards the west, and again we'll continue to see more cloud and also some showery rain, perhaps even some thunderstorms just clipping the eastern side of England. Hanging on to the heat in the east, but further west temperatures will be a little bit more respectable, coming in around the low to mid-20s. But again, we could see a 30 along this eastern side. That's all from me. Remember to keep up to date with the weather forecast on all our social media channels, and I'll see you soon.